Hey there! In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use MeetEdgar's new custom schedule feature. If you've ever felt limited by just having repeats daily or repeats weekly, this new option gives you way more flexibility to tailor your posting schedule exactly how you want it. So let's dive in. To get started, go to your calendar and click on the Add Time Slot button. You can also just click directly on any open time slot on your calendar. In the Add Time Slot pop-up, select all the social media accounts where you want this content to go out. Then, choose the category you want this slot to pull content from. You can also do this for specific posts instead of a full category. Just go to your category and select the individual post when setting up the time slot. Now it's time to customize your time slot. Under the recurrence options, choose the last one, Custom. This lets you decide exactly how often this slot will repeat. So let's say you want a category to post twice a month, specifically on Tuesdays and Thursdays. You'd set the recurrence to every 4 weeks, and then select those days. You can also decide how long this automation should run. You can let this automation run indefinitely or set an end date. If you want it to stop after a certain date, just select an end date on the calendar. This is super useful for seasonal content or limited time promotions, for example. Once everything looks good, click Save, and your new custom time slot will be added to your schedule. And that's it. From here, MeetEdgar will automatically post your content based on the custom schedule you've just set, giving you full control and flexibility without the need to manually schedule every content piece.